Hi, this is review sheet L, question 1, and we're solving 2 sine 2 theta equals 3 sine theta. So I'm going to start off substituting in my double angle formula for sine 2 theta, which is 2 sine theta cos theta. And just simplifying that down, 2 times 2 makes 4, and also bringing this over to the other side, minus 3 sine theta. And some of you will be tempted here to divide through by sine theta. Please don't, no, don't do it. Instead, if you could factorize sine theta out, that will leave 4 cos minus 3 in brackets there. And so two things times together make 0, so either sine theta 0 or 4 cos theta minus 3 equals 0. Taking the 3 over to the other side and dividing by 4 makes cos theta 3/4. And we need to solve both of those. So starting off with sine theta equals 0, plus sine of 0 is 0, and for sine to get the next angle, you've got your answer, and 180 minus your answer. So that makes 180, and then once you've got the first two angles, you just keep adding 360s till you're out of the range. So 0 plus 360 is 360, and we're not going to get any more. And the other one then, doing theta equals cos minus 1 of 3/4, that gives us 41.4. Because the rule is if you've got your answer, you're doing 360 minus your answer, which gives us 318.6, and we're done with part A. So on to part B. And for part B, we've got a cos 2 theta double angle formula to choose from. There's 3 options. So we could have cos squared theta minus sine squared theta. You could have 2 cos squared theta minus 1, or you could have 1 minus 2 sine squared theta. Now, in terms of choosing them, I'm going to go for this one, because then I'd have a quadratic only in cos, there wouldn't be any mixture of coses and sines. So going for that one then, replacing cos 2 theta with 2 cos squared theta minus 1 plus 5 cos theta equals 2. Simplifying down to make a nice quadratic. And you could factorise, I've factorised, if not, put it in your shiny silver amazing calculator, and you will get cos theta equals half, or cos theta equals minus 3. Doing cos theta equals a half, the inverse cos of a half is 60 degrees, and then again for cos, you've got answer, or 360 minus your answer, so that gives you 300. Cos theta equals minus 3, your calculator will probably say math error, because the cos graph only goes down to minus 1, it never goes down to minus 3, so there's no solutions. And lastly, for question 1, we've got part C. So we're going to start off putting in the definition of cosec theta. So we've got 2 sine theta minus 1 over sine theta, because that's what our cosec is, equals 1. Don't like having a fraction in here, so we're multiplying everything through by sine theta. Gives 2 sine squared theta minus 1 equals sine theta. Moving it all to left to make a nice quadratic, so when I bring that over it becomes a minus. And again, putting it into your calculator or factorising. Sine theta equals minus 1, so when you put that into your calculator you get minus 30. The rule for sine is that you do 180 minus your answer, so it's 180 minus minus 30 gives you 210, and then once you have the original pair you add 360s to get whatever else is in the range. So minus 30 plus 360 makes 330, that's this answer. 210 plus 360 is too big, so we're not going to worry about that one. Then over here, sine theta equals 1. So if we do inverse sine of that, we get 90. There's no other answers there because in the range 0 to 360, sine only gets up to 1 here, so that's our only answer.